Hello everyone, welcome back. We are making here zucchini rice and it's a vegan rice because we are using a milk but a plant-based milk. So it's going to be very delicious. Without any delay, let's start. Hello everyone. So we are making today a zucchini rice. For that we require some ingredients. I will tell you what are those. So I have soaked this millet rice. You can take any rice. I have taken here millet rice. I have soaked this for like 6 to 8 hours. You should soak it. I have soaked it like more than 6 hours. So see, this is the rice. I have taken here quarter cup, only small cup. That is enough for me. We will keep this on stove. Okay. And I'm making here with clay pot. It takes little longer time to cook comparing steel vessel. Okay, because I am doing it in low flame also, right? So yeah, let's add. So 1 cup of rice I have taken and 4 cups of water. So okay, let's cook this. Meanwhile, we can you can close the lid. See, when one time will come, it will come, water will come up. That time you can just open a lid or you can close it off. For timing now you can close full. Okay, that's it. Now we will keep things ready. We want coconut milk for this. So any milk you can take, plant-based milk, and please avoid the cow milk. It's not good for humans, right? And we are not a calf. So let's make our own milk by coconut. So let's break this coconut. I am taking a new one. Let's break this with this. Okay. I can just drink this water. Hmm. It's the tastiest water in the world. It's broken like this. Okay. Let's cut this. Let's grind this and taking milk out is not a difficult thing. Why people will say it's a very difficult thing? Whenever you want milk, it's easy to make. Just cut it. Chop it like it's not like you have to chop it small pieces or something randomly. Just chop it. Milk you can take how much you want. If you like more milk, you can pour more milk. So we are making here zucchini rice today, right? So for that we need coconut milk, and always remember that coconut milk we should not cook on heat. So what we are doing here is we are adding this milk at the end, but till it cooks we can prepare this. How much time it takes, right? See, my already it's coming water. Can you see it? It's coming water outside. So I'm just removing this lid halfway so it will cook properly. So this is enough. I guess I will just add this to a mixer jar and add little water, only little water, to grind it properly. It should become smooth paste. So if we don't add water at all, it won't become that smooth. So let's add water and grind it. Okay, I have to add some more water. Okay, see, this much happened, and we can grind some more. Like you can put some more water and we can grind it, or else we can take out this as a thick milk. We can do is we can strain it. How? With the muslin cloth. If you have a handkerchief, I have one handkerchief. Let me bring. See, I have taken this is handkerchief. I just washed it and just keep that like this on the vessel, top of that, and just add this coconut. That's it. Okay, we will squeeze this. See, milk is ready. That too very thick milk it is. We didn't add much water. Can you see water like milk how it is coming? Milk is ready, ready milk and fresh milk. So instead of cow milk, you can give this milk to your kids. Or if you are making any dish, you can use this milk. See, coconut pulp is there. You can use this one for curries and all also you can use it. Or else like you can use it for sweets, laddus and all. You can make with this. Okay. So our milk is ready. And what about the zucchini? Let's prepare zucchini. We have to grate it. I have this grating machine. I have like this. I'm using here a medium size. There is small, big and medium. So I will use this medium one. So take one zucchini. Zucchini is fine. Or else you can go for any cucumber. So my rice is already cooked. The water is not there. Water is gone. So now in this stage, we will add this zucchini. Let me grate it fast. I think this is enough. Let's see the measurement. Okay, see, I have taken here half cup, quarter cup of that, half cup of zucchini or the cucumber, grated one, and just take that water also. So half cup, and just add this. Now rice as cooked actually. Two more things we have to add. So just mix this properly. And we have to add cilantro and dill leaf now. See, can you see here? I have taken a little more dill leaf and cilantro, little less only, not much. So we will add this both to that. We will chop it and add. So chop this one, wash it and chop it. That's it. We just have to add this. Okay, nice. Add this also. Cilantro, coriander leaves and coriander leaves and dill leaves. Just mix it properly and let it cook. Yeah. Let's cover this. Let's cook. Now, actually we have added everything only. Okay. One more thing you can add here, chili. Okay. You can chop it into small pieces. You can add it, or else you can add big one, and you can just remove it later. So I'm not adding this. I don't like chili, so I'm not adding. I don't like spice item. Let it be like this because even my daughter will also eat without spice. So for both it is, we will eat without spice. If you want, you can add it. Chop it and add it. Now it's done. So let's remove this. Now it's been cooking for 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes I guess. Yeah, it's done actually. Okay, I want to show you also. Wait. So it's done. In this stage, actually we can switch off the flame. It's done. Now we will add salt. Yes, I will add the salt at the end. It doesn't require in the middle. So add salt at this stage. I'm using here sea salt according to the taste. Add that much. So let me show you how it is. See. Can you see it? Zucchini rice is done and we have switched off the flame. Right? It's done. So just let it cook. The pot is there. It's hot and let it be there for another 5 minutes and then we will add this milk. We have taken this milk, right? Coconut milk. This much it came. So rice will absorb milk. That's why we will add when it is hot only, but not this hot. See now still it is boiling. Just now we have switch off the gas. That's why. Okay, let it be there for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will add milk. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes. Okay, now can you see boiling has stopped, right? Only one side is there and it's still hot, but still I can touch this clay pot as that quality. We can touch it, see, even we can't do that with steel or some other material, right? So now we will add a milk. It's a thick coconut milk. So you just see, because coconut has a sweetness, right? So that how much you want, that much only you add. See now you can mix this. Wow, isn't it beautiful? See, it's already done. You can close it for another 5 minutes. Rice will absorb the milk. And remember that we didn't add any masala item, right? Only what we have added, only cilantro and dill leaf, right? If you want some more milk, you can add it. So I feel like I can add little more. That's it. So milk is there. You can keep it remaining milk in a fridge. It will be there for 2 to 3 days. You can use it for other dishes or you can drink it. You can give it to children also. You can make any sweet dish also. There are a lot of recipes we can make with that. Even you can make ice cream also. So let's close the lid for another 5 minutes. So that's it, guys. It's done. Zucchini rice, very delicious, and it gives a little like a fresh feeling. Like you will taste the real taste of food. Yeah, because it doesn't have much spices. So let's make another bonus recipe. This is mukwas. After food, we will have this. But I have made this a different version, my version. Let's make this. I'm adding here peanuts. Yeah, you might have not seen the peanuts in that, but let's try this because I tried it. It was very delicious. You can eat it anytime like that. It is. So just add. Like it's not like you have to take exact measurement, but anything is fine. So I am taken here 2 tablespoon of roasted peanuts and each quarter teaspoon of sesame seed, flax seeds, and fennel seeds. So any seeds you can add here, sunflower seeds or else whatever you feel like that also you can add, or else you can skip it. Only fennel seed you can add. Okay, and then add now jaggery syrup. See, I'm adding here jaggery syrup. It's cold one. It's not hot, so just add the syrup. Yeah, I have taken here like 1 tablespoon, but you can take some more also, how much you feel like, and just mix it. It's done, very easy, and it was so delicious. I tried it. It's simply I thought of having this in mind, and let's made it. It was so delicious. You can also make this. It's a bonus recipe. It doesn't take much time, right? Just add ingredients. That's it. And so shiny and looking wise also, it looks beautiful and so mouth freshing because we have added fennel seeds, right? And it is after food. After that food, if you have this, it is going to be digest properly. Food also, it's going to be beneficial, right? So make this one and let me know how it was. For me it was fantabulous. Okay, it was so delicious, both of the recipe. So try this at your home and be happier. Let's enjoy the life without any guilt. Make your recipes healthier version and be healthy, live healthy, and live. You can live longer period of time, right? And it's
When you are healthy, you can do many things. If your body is good, you can do it so many things, right? Okay, so delicious. Wow, super. And enjoy this beautiful meal. See the milk I have used it here as tandai. You can make that. And the tofu curry I will show in the other recipe. So that's it guys for today. Let's see you in the next video. Until then, namaste.